Polkadot is one of the 2020's most ambitious crypto and blockchain projects that has caught the community by the storm. Developed by Swiss-based Web3 Foundation, the project seeks to create a user-friendly, decentralized internet of the future. The proposed platform features the next generation of the blockchains that are interoperable, scalable, and secure. At its core, Polkadot is a scalable and customizable network of blockchains, all interacting and communicating seamlessly in a trust-free and secure ecosystem. The blockchain-centric project seeks to create the next generation of the internet with decentralized applications to replace the centralized ones. In a world where data is continually increasing in value, the internet has become a conduit through which large centralized organizations collect data from internet users. Although most users give the data for free, the average user has no choice but to trust that the data won't be misused, lost, or stolen. The world of open source and decentralized technologies has come of an age. It has proven that it's possible to build alternative decentralized applications online that prioritize individual sovereignty over personal data. However, despite Bitcoin's many strides as a peer-to-peer digital money and Ethereum as a complete virtual world computer, both systems have quickly found limitations in their designs. This is why Polkadot had emerged as a solution for the scalability problem facing the current generation of blockchains. This is Martina from Phemex team. In this video, we will give you a general introduction to Polkadot. Before we start, make sure to click the like button, subscribe to our channel, turn on the alerts, and share the video with your friends. At the end of the video, we will ask you a question related to today's topic. Leave your answers below with the UID of Phemex, and we will choose 5 lucky ones to get a special trading bonus. Now, let's start. What is Polkadot? Polkadot is best described as an ecosystem of multiple blockchains interacting with one another in a flurry of economic activity. Picture a blockchain for banking application interacting with another blockchain built for musicians and another for supply chain management, all interacting and communicating in a decentralized manner. Therefore, unlike a standard single-chain blockchain, Polkadot is made up of dozens of sub-blockchains featuring programmable building blocks to create a new and better internet. These next-generation Polkadot blockchain networks are purpose-built and united to facilitate an interconnected ecosystem of scalable, easily upgradable, and transparent applications ready for large-scale adoption. How the Polkadot network works. Polkadot is a shared blockchain network that uses a heterogeneous sharding model to connect several blockchains in a single network so that they can exchange data between one another and process transactions with guaranteed security. Heterogeneous sharding explained. In the world of blockchain development, sharding refers to horizontal partitioning of databases on a network into shards for scalability purposes. Given the limited throughput and lack of runtime that is characterized by early blockchains, the sharding process splits a blockchain network into separate databases to ease the overall workload of the network. Traditionally, all the nodes on a blockchain network store and process all critical information, such as transaction history, wallet balances, and account details. While this design guarantees the blockchain security, it slows down the transaction process, especially as more nodes connect to the network. By separating critical transactional information into shards, a blockchain can spread out processing responsibilities across the nodes on its network, thereby reducing overall latency and solving scalability issues. According to Polkadot's white paper, it is impactful to build customizable and scalable dApps with real-world use cases on existing and legacy networks. Polkadot's unique heterogeneous sharding ensures that each blockchain in the network can be optimized for a specific use case, hence allowing for more innovation possibilities. The Polkadot Ecosystem. The Relay Chain. The Polkadot network is designed to create a foundational blockchain called the relay chain that connects individual chains. The relay chain is responsible for the network security and works to achieve consensus and interoperability among connected blockchains. The parachains. Individual and sovereign blockchains on the Polkadot network are called parachains, and they are capable of hosting their tokens and optimizing functionality according to their specific use cases. The parachains run parallel to one another and help scale the system, separating responsibilities on the parallelized operation. They achieve this structure by paying or leasing for a slot on the relay chain. Bridges. Bridges on Polkadot Ecosystem are special internal blockchains that connect the external blockchains. They don't use the Polkadot's governance structure to the relay chain. Therefore, through a bridge, the Polkadot network of parachains can seamlessly communicate with Ethereum or Bitcoin blockchain as it will with local parachain. Polkadot's governance structure. The Polkadot network is governed through a special kind of proof-of-stake consensus protocol called Nominated Proof-of-Stake Protocol. Its structure is made up of validators, collectors, fishermen, nominators, council members, and a technical committee. The validators contribute to relay chain security by staking DOT tokens and participating in consensus with other validators to verify proof from collectors. Collectors maintain parachains by collecting transactions from parachains and sending proof of these transactions to validators. Nominators also stake DOT tokens and are responsible for security of the relay chain by selecting trustworthy validators. Fishermen police the network by monitoring and reporting bad behavior from validators. Lastly, Polkadot governance structure is also made up of council members who represent passive stakeholders in the network's decision-making process. There is also a technical committee made up of developers who propose an emergency referenda together with the council members. The DOT token. The DOT token has a total supply of 1.02 billion tokens. At the time of writing, the total circulating supply is over 900 million according to CoinMarketCap. Instead of hard cap supply, Polkadot operates on inflationary system that incentivizes validators to participate and stake DOTs. Currently priced 4.66 USD, a market cap of over 4 billion USD, the DOT token ranks among the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, yet the Genesis block for Polkadot was only launched on March 26 of 2020. As discussed above, staking is one of the primary purposes for DOT token. The token is also used for governance, as its token holders complete control over decision-making processes on the network. By electing council members, token holders get to participate in protocol changes, parachains additions or removals, and the determination of the free structure of the network. The DOT token is also used in bonding, a proof-of-stake process where validators bond DOT tokens to add new parachains to the network or remove outdated or redundant parachains. Polkadot price and predictions. To understand the future of the DOT's value, it is important to first investigate Polkadot's history. The DOT token first went on sale at 2017 during the Polkadot ICO. At that time, Polkadot managed to raise 140 million USD. However, the company further conducted two private DOT sales in 2019 and 2020, respectively, after incurring some losses. DOT was priced at about 30 USD in its ICO days. However, DOT holdings were redenominated in August 2020, whereby the token circulating supply was inflated by a factor of 100. Token holders who previously owned one DOT were given 100 tokens. Redenomination increased the supply from the initial 10 million tokens to the current 1 billion. While the split doesn't change the value of the token, it led to a spike in speculation resulting in a recent rally. Following current signals, market analysts predict that DOT token will surpass its current price of around 4.5 USD, and at the year of the above, it will reach $5 mark. While it's difficult to accurately predict market behavior, analysts predict that DOT will be priced above $8 at the start of 2022, and further projections say that overpriced above 25 USD at 2025. Other analysts foresee an impending bearish trend that could lead the DOT to see the price fall by 90% before the year ends on early 2021. Polkadot's future. The future of Polkadot and the DOT token seems very bright as there are multiple real-world use cases for the project. The platform's capacity to coordinate numerous blockchains gives it the potential to surge to higher heights as adoption picks up in the future. However, on the question of whether Polkadot is a good investment, it is anyone's guess how future market fluctuations will influence the price of DOT. At the moment, Polkadot's unique features made it a crucial and eye-grabbing project for the advancement of the blockchain and crypto space. Granted, critics argue that Polkadot's sharding process can lead to vulnerabilities. However, Polkadot has also highlighted the benefits of its sharding model by partnering with other prominent projects like Chainlink to realize its vision. And last but not least, here is the question for you to win a trading bonus. Which feature of Polkadot attracts you the most? And will you trade DOT on Phemex? Why? Leave your answers in the comments with your Phemex UID and we will choose 5 lucky members who will get the special trading bonus. If you don't have Phemex account, just click on the link in the description or scan the QR code and create a Phemex account. You will get a 7-day free premium membership trial and other trading bonuses. To learn more about Phemex and cryptocurrencies, watch the videos in the box on the left. If you are new to the crypto world, have a look at the other videos on the right for some Phemex users tutorials. Thanks for the watching video. Bye!